In this video, I'll show you how to access your website on the new server before changing the name servers. This is very useful in cases when you migrate your website from one server to another and you want to verify that your website is loading without any issues on the new server. Let's say this is our website that we are migrating to a new server with SPanel, of course. Let's get to the SPanel admin interface where we created an account for the website that we are migrating. Let's get to the SPanel user interface for that website and then to the file manager and then to the public HTML directory just to see what we need to see when we access the website on the new server. If I edit that index HTML, if we see hello success, this is the website on my new server, then we pointed our domain name to the new server without changing the name servers. To do so, we need to open a notepad editor with administrator privileges. We need to right click on the notepad and then run as administrator. Notepad will open and we now need to find the host file where we can tell our computer which IP address it needs to open the website from when we access it. So let's find it. We need to go to the disk where our Windows operating system is installed, then navigate to the Windows folder, then find the system32 folder. There we go. Then we need to find the drivers directory, and then we need to get to the etc directory, switch to see all files, and there we will see the host file. Double click on it to open it. There we go. We can now edit that file. In that file, we can add the IP address and our domain name so that we will force our computer to look for our website from the new server and not on the existing one where the DNS is currently pointing the domain to. Let me copy. This is our new server IP address. And then let's add our domain here. It's important to add both the domain name and the www.domain.com. Then we save the changes. And when we visit, need to open it in a new incognito window to avoid any browser caching. We don't have the SSL certificate installed yet, but if you are migrating your website, the SSL certificate will be migrated as well, so you won't be seeing this warning. There we go. Now yogabasics.com loaded from the new server. Here, of course, you will see your real website that you just migrated, and everything must look in the same way as it looks on the old server, so that there are no surprises when you change the name servers. And of course, once you are happy with the migration and that everything is migrated, moved, and your website is working well, do not forget to remove this line from the host file and then save, because that will make your computer find the IP address of the server using your DNS resolution instead of using your host file to point it to a specific IP address. Pointing it like this using the host file is the easiest, the most efficient way to access your website on the new server and verify that the migration was completed successfully. It is very easy and very effective to do it in this way. And that's it.